Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to add payment gateway in your Wix website. Alright, so now let's get started. So here we are on Wix.com, and to add our payment gateways or payment methods, we want to go into our settings first, right here in the left side. Click on My Settings, and then click on Accept Payments, because this is where you will be setting your options for where you are accepting your payments. And then right here, we have our payment methods. So the first two that will pop up right here is the PayPal. So this is basically like the most easiest way and the most common payment method right here. So you can just easily connect this into your Wix website so that you can now accept payments. So you can click on Connect right here. And then as you can see, you need to enter your PayPal account email in from below. You can click on Connect and so on. This will be the instructions on how you can do that. I will not be guiding you through this one right here because there are a lot of payment methods that you can choose from, and I don't know which one you are going to select. So anyways, the instructions here is very clear and very simple. All you have to do is follow that, and then you will be able to successfully connect your PayPal. And in any case that you would want customer for COD or cash on delivery, if you would want to entertain customers like that, then your go-to payment will be the manual payments. So you can click on Connect right here, and you would be able to see here at the drop-down menu, you would have cash on delivery. And then from here, you can let your customers know how you want them to pay. So for example, you have your cash payment, so you can add some instructions right here about your cash payment. Maybe when the courier would go to them, you would add some maybe how they can pay you. So maybe you can like instruct them to send it to this account number or so on, or so whatever that you would like, even for offline payment, for your cash on delivery and so on. So this would be a note on which that you would want your customer to know or to follow your instructions when they are undergoing the payment process right here. So yeah, you can do it here in the manual payments. And now let's leave right here. So that's it for the manual payments. And don't worry, you also have a lot of other payment options right here when you click on this one. So as you can see, we have a lot. So in my case, this would be the ones that will be available for me depending on my country. So I'm in the Philippines, so these are the ones that is available for me. Just like I said earlier, it would be different for each one of us. Maybe depending on our location, it will be very subjective. So in my case, it will be this one. So for example, I would want to go for HitPay. Click on Connect right here, and then you'd be able to have your instructions right here on how you can connect HitPay into your Wix website right here. You would need the API key and the SAL, and payment methods available with HitPay right here and so on. So for this one, we're going to go and click on Connect right here. As you can see, you would need the API key and the SALT and so on right here. So let's try with the payment wall right here, and it would be basically the same thing. As you can see, it needs a project key and Wix integration secret. Just like I said, it would be different for the payment methods for different payment methods, but it would be also different instructions or how you can connect those payment methods right here. And yeah, that is basically it. And right here, it is just dependent on your location, and you can go back here on accepting payments. And now what we'll be doing is we're gonna go here in your business location. This is very important. So this is where the payment methods that is available for you would depend. So for example, I'm currently in Philippines, but you can set yours to maybe in the US, right here in the United States, and select choose, and right there. And then it will be updated. As you can see, now we have a lot of different payment methods. Now you can accept credit or debit card using Wix right here. So you can click on Connect, and you would have these instructions right here, and you would have also this one. So let's say, no, I do not sell these illegal things, and click on Accept and Continue right here, and you can go for this one. You can toggle on which one that you would like to continue with. Let's say I want all of them, so click on Continue right there. And let's just wait for this one to load right here. And as you can see, there was a technical issue right here, so let's just do it again right here. And now it's connecting to our provider. So now Wix payment is connected. It's time to upgrade your site. So the only downside of this one is that you would need to upgrade to a business and e-commerce premium plan right here. In order for you to accept payments, as you can see right here, it would need this right here. It has a crown that would symbolize that only premium members would be able to do that. And you have this right here. These are the prices if you are interested. So you can just go check it out on your own later on. And yeah, you would need some premium subscription right here. So now let's go back to the accept payments now that I have shown you that. And when we go back to accept payments, and then right here, let's go into the, as you can see, now that we have changed this to United States, we have so much more options. Now we have Affirm, we have Afterpay, Google Pay, and so on right here. So yeah, that is what I mean when you are changing your business location according to your country. So be sure to change your business location accordingly to which country you are operating right here on Wix. So that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.